Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your postcode on Frollo. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Frollo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now on the screen, you can see options like dashboard and portfolio. Stay on dashboard, then on the top left corner, you're gonna find a user icon. Tap on it. There you can see options like name, email, postcode and year of birth. Tap on postcode, then type in the postcode that you want to add and tap on arrow option. Then your profile will be updated with your postcode. And guys, that's it. That's how you add postcode or change postcode on Frollo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.